Good morning, quarantiners, or good afternoon. Technically it's afternoon, evening for me. I don't know why I'm starting this video so late, so my apologies. But for basically the entire month of April, I have been attempting to do different DIY projects to bring it to you and share with you this month, and I'm not gonna lie, most of them have been complete fails, especially this one, this tie-dye video. I have been trying to tie-dye things for the longest time. Okay, fire! And none of them really seem to be working out for me, like, at all. But we're gonna attempt it again. I received two new tie-dye colors in the mail. One is a beige color, which is super on trend this season. That's my daughter. And the other is a teal color. So I'm going to attempt to tie-dye a pair of track pants that I ordered from American Eagle in white, and let's see how that works out. Hopefully this works. Third time's a charm.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. You're the only sunset that I'll never forget. Red and orange sorbet, like it is the best yet. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime.